top stories. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launches Deepotsava Mahotsav in Ayodhya. ISRO scripts history with successful commercial mission LVM-3M2. Prime Minister Narendra Modi lauds ISRO and others for the achievement. 7th Ayurveda Day celebrated. Ayush Minister Sarbananda Sonowal says Ayurveda is not only prevents diseases but also preserves, promotes health of human beings. Virat Kohli stars as India beat Pakistan by 4 wickets in a T20 World Cup match. The news in detail. The famous Deepotsava celebrations got underway in Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh this evening. This is the 6th edition of Deepotsava. All temples, even those in narrow lanes and by lanes of Ayodhya, are being decorated and illuminated on this occasion. The main event is being presided over by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This is the first time that the Prime Minister is participating in person in the celebrations. The Prime Minister is set to perform darshan and puja of Bhagwan Shri Ram Lala Virajman, followed by an inspection of Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra site. Indian Space Research Organization's heaviest rocket LVM-3M2 on its maiden commercial mission on Sunday successfully placed 36 broadband communication satellites of a UK-based customer into the intended orbits, the space agency said, describing the mission as historic. Speaking after the launch, Chairperson of ISRO S. Somnath said that it is a happy Diwali for all those at Shar Center as the launch was successful and the separation of the satellites were precisely done. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also lauded ISRO and other stakeholders for the success. Congratulations Encel India, IN Space India, ISRO on the successful launch of our heaviest launch vehicle LVM-3 with 36 OneWeb satellites meant for global connectivity. LVM-3 exemplifies Atmanirbharta and enhances India's competitive edge in the global commercial launch service market, he said. Union Minister of Ayush Sarbananda Sonowal has stressed on the need to promote awareness among the people about the ability, strength and power of the Indian traditional system of medicines. Speaking at the celebration of the 7th Ayurveda Day in New Delhi today, Sonowal said this traditional system not only prevents diseases but also preserves and promotes the health of human beings. Sonowal said that the countrymen should understand the power of Indian traditional system of medicine, which has been in practice for thousands of years. He said this will help the country in becoming self-reliant.
आयुर्वेदा डे सेलिब्रेट करने का, इसके लिए मैं विशेष रूप से हमारे देश के आदर्शवादी नेता प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं कि उन्होंने आयुष विभाग को बढ़ावा देने के लिए पिछले 8 साल के अंदर जो निष्ठापूर्वक मेहनत की, इसके वजह से आज आयुष ने सिर्फ देश के अंदर नहीं, दुनिया में अपना पहचान बनाने में सफलता प्राप्त की है.
Indian origin former Chancellor Rishi Sunak on Sunday formally declared his candidacy to contest the Conservative Party leadership election to replace Liz Truss as British Prime Minister and fix the economy. The 42-year-old is the clear frontrunner as he raced ahead with the backing of at least 128 Tory members of Parliament, even as loyalists of his former boss Boris Johnson claimed he has the necessary 100 MPs needed to make it to the shortlist. While the former Tory leader and Prime Minister is yet to officially declare his candidacy, the contest is shaping up as a three-way fight between Sunak, Johnson and third-place leader of the Commons, Penny Mordaunt. The district sports officer, in collaboration with the Deputy Commissioner West Jaintia Hills District, Jawai, yesterday organized the Fit India Freedom Run, which was flagged off from Kyang Nangba Stadium by the working president WJDSO EMH Pasa. The prize distribution was held at Sintuksiar Kyangnangba Monument, which was the finishing line for the run. The Freedom Run, held as part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, was participated by both boys and girls from the district. The first position in the run in boys and girls sections were bagged by Dabit Dakhar and Purnai Gandait respectively. Cyclone Sitrang, which is heading towards Bangladesh, is likely to trigger rainfall in the northeast, West Bengal and Odisha. India Meteorological Department has predicted that the cyclone will cross Bangladesh's coast between Tinkona Island and Sandwip around Tuesday morning. Its impact will be felt in Odisha and West Bengal. Both states will see moderate to heavy rainfall beginning today. The northeast region is also likely to experience moderate rains during Diwali. Over to sports, Virat Kohli single-handedly powered India to an epic 4-wicket win over arch rivals Pakistan with a magnificent 53-ball 82 not out in their big-ticket T20 World Cup game at Melbourne on Sunday. Pakistan recovered from wobbly start to post a fighting 159 for 8. India completed the chase in the last ball with Kohli and Hardik Pandya, who scored 40, doing the bulk of the scoring after a horrific start to their innings. The two revived India with a 113-run stand for the 4th wicket after they were reeling at 31 for 4 at one stage. Earlier, Arshdeep Singh bowled a dream first spell and Hardik Pandya displayed his true worth in the back 10 as India restricted Pakistan to a manageable 159 for 8. Arshdeep removed skipper Babar Azam for 0 and Mohammad Rizwan for 4 in its first 2 overs to set the tone. And now for the weather report. The maximum temperature was 24.1 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 16.4 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 61%, rising to 75% in the evening. The forecast tells us light rain is very likely to occur at isolated places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And for those who missed out, here's a quick recap of the top stories for today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launches Deepotsava Mahotsav in Ayodhya. ISRO scripts history with successful commercial mission LV-M3-M2. Prime Minister Narendra Modi lauds ISRO and others for the achievement. 7th Ayurveda Day celebrated. Ayush Minister Sarbananda Sonowal says Ayurveda not only prevents diseases but also preserves and promotes the health of human beings. Virat Kohli stars as India beat Pakistan by 4 wickets in their T20 World Cup match. That's all we have in today's news. Thank you for watching.